Hello guys and welcome back. Today's video is going to be outside again because I love the outdoors, and where I'm at today is North Cape, Prince Edward Island, and this is on the western end of PEI, so about an hour and 20-minute drive from where I live. But in case you can't tell, it is absolutely gorgeous, so totally worth the drive. So you guys can come right along with me and see the different aspects of where I'm at for today. So I'm right here in the parking lot and you can see the ocean, but the other cool thing is that there are a ton of windmills here. They're not really going. It's not that windy out today. You can see the motor and one of the, I think they're propellers. They are massive, but it's beautifully and sunny out, not too windy, and it's about 6 degrees Celsius, so it's a nice change to our winter weather that we've been having. Here we have it, the Black Marsh Nature Trail. So just kind of some information about what you can see, and here we are. Then there's a lighthouse over there, and you can come on down to the water's edge. And I think that's I don't know. Pile of something. Yep, old lobster trap. That's what I thought. Got some driftwood, some rocks. You know, typical things you'd find on a beach. Nothing too exciting. Got a ton of PEIs, lovely sand. Here we have it, sand of the ocean, some cliffs, you know, all that exciting stuff. Got the lighthouse up there. You can kind of see the light on it. It's going around, shining right out. Okay, so the trail is pretty straightforward, basically a road. Not difficult to go along at all. There's some spots just because it's muddy, and in the springtime that there's some puddles and stuff like that, but deeper in the summer it would be very, very good, easy to follow. There's some ruts, but that's not much. No roots or anything, so that's a bonus if you like that sort of thing. But yeah, so it'd be easy to take the whole family along, easy to push a stroller in. It's very enjoyable, even though we are right by the water. It is not windy at all today, at all. I know there would be times when it would be extremely windy though, but today is not one of those days. So that's pretty nice, because with the lower temperature that means I don't have to wear a sweater because it's not cold out. Here is one of those puddles I was talking about, but it's easy to get around. Very easy. You just walk right around it. Look at that. Went around a big puddle. How exciting. We are with the birds. They are not that shy at all. And as I say that, they move. But very cool. Very cool. Okay, so now you walk through this little area, and now we see something that's beginning to look more marshy. So, and here we are on the trail. So maybe it'll get more interesting and it's not just a road. But let's see. So that's what Elephant Rock used to look like. And, well, let's just say some things have changed very disappointingly. Oh well, nothing lasts forever, but it is actually a shame, because how cool is that? Like rock that looks like an elephant. So now we're entering a place that has the label of the Black Bog, and I am actually thoroughly enjoying this so far. So, the area that I was on did have some loose rocks, some trails, and now we're on like a boardwalk area. So, super nice to walk on. And again, we still got the windmills. There. Windmills? Yeah. My brain's freezing. I'm pretty sure that's what they're called. But it is absolutely... I know I keep saying this. But it is absolutely gorgeous. This island. Beautiful. And again, another little sign that says, "Watch out! Dangerous cliffs! Attention!" In English and in French. But you have the option to go this way or that way. So I'm gonna keep walking straight. And it's kinda nothing exciting going on in the middle there. But the ocean is on this side. Okay, so I made it to the end of the trail here. So there's a little path that you can take down to the water, which I'll probably do. And then I'm just saying the suggested route. And just how long it is. It's 5.5 kilometers, 3.5 miles. For there, just kind of all the facts for it. Kind of just telling you to respect what lives here, take nothing but pictures, stick to the trail, and bring a jacket, hat, sunscreen, plenty of water. Because even though we are surrounded by water, it's salt water, so you can't drink it. Anyways, here's the... There we go. That's looking down. I'm pretty sure that's what's left of Elephant Rock. Pretty sure, but don't quote me on that. And it's a little mushy. But that's because it's springtime. Or mud season here. Ooh, that is really mushy. Okay, I thought maybe this was something we could walk down, but that drop-off looks kind of stiff. Yeah, no, I don't think this is something you're supposed to walk down. Yeah. And with the mud being slippy the way it is. Yeah, no. Okay. Going back up. I was wrong. Okay. There you go. The nice Red Island dirt. And our dead grass from wintertime. So there you go. If you're coming from this parking lot up through here, this is what you see. Saying stuff like, hope you enjoyed your walk. Which I did. Well, thanks for joining me on my way around North Cape at the Black Marsh, which technically, I read a sign, it's actually a bog, because there's a difference between marsh and bogs. Anyways, thanks for joining me. It was enjoyable. It turned out to be way better than I thought it was. Absolutely loved it. And I would definitely come back here. Great place. Absolutely loved it. Weather was great. The walk was great. Like, there was barely any people here, so that was amazing. But yeah, that's the end of today's video. So thanks so much for watching, and have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye-bye.